step down with a
Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. In this video, I'd like to showcase some of IKEA's latest products, especially focusing on the items that are getting lots of buzz. This spring and summer season is brimming with limited collections, so I'd really like you to check out the latest through this video. Since these items tend to sell out quickly, it's good to stay updated. First up is this chair that I had been eyeing for a while. I finally got to see it in person. It was about 1.2 times bigger than I imagined. It's one of those typical IKEA surprises. The craftsmanship, especially the intricate weaving, was beautifully detailed. The design was incredibly charming, although a bit too large for my space. It indeed appeared larger than the model in the advertisements, and it also had a luxurious aura. Sitting in it was quite comfortable, with a sturdy backrest. Next, this personal chair is from a notable reissue collection. It's made of rattan, but has a modern twist in its design. While looking at it, I thought to myself, it would have been nice if the previous chair was about this size. Moving on to some more recent releases, we have this new furniture series that includes a shelf and a TV board next to it. The quality of the materials is excellent, featuring a veneer finish. This is something you really need to see in person at IKEA. It's quite a surprise to find such pieces there. This collection doesn't just include the shelf. There are also coffee tables, cabinet-style shelves, and versions with sliding doors, all of which make it easy to coordinate your space. The chair you see in the foreground is also from a reissue collection. Sitting in it felt very comfortable. This art panel you see here is typical of IKEA's seasonal lineup. They tend to rotate these items frequently. I think this is actually a good thing because one of IKEA's biggest drawbacks, in my opinion, is that you might end up having the same decor as everyone else around the world. Therefore, having these art pieces available only for a season could actually be seen as a benefit. This model room was incredibly cute, featuring this green blanket, which is a new product and has a really lovely shade. This art panel, also a new release this season, is affordably priced. The pop-colored art panel is frameless and can be hung directly on the wall. It comes in a set of 3, which is quite a bargain. Additionally, many of you have commented that when you think of IKEA, you think of frames. I agree. Their designs are great and they offer good value for money. I've also introduced some pieces from the limited SÖTRÖNN collection, a collaboration with the contemporary Japanese artist Takahashi Hiroko. In Japan, some items have already sold out, but according to the website, they should be restocked soon. The cushion cover is made of 100% cotton and has a refreshing texture. It's really great that you can get it at such an affordable price. Although it's monochrome, the design has a significant impact, making it an unmistakable accent for your room. I washed it, and with a bit of ironing, it crisped up nicely. I'll be putting in a feather inner cushion to complete it. My current home decor is based on white and beige tones, and I've typically avoided black, so introducing this cushion should make a significant impact. I'll be adding more items, such as other blankets, so please stay tuned. Next up, candles. The pattern is beautifully textured, and they're also available in large sizes and in black. Such candles tend to accumulate dust, so I recommend covering them. IKEA sells a cork lid that fits these candles, though not perfectly. I also have kitchen cloths. This series' designer specializes in textiles and kimonos, and during the product unveiling event, they mentioned really liking the kitchen cloths and blankets. These kitchen cloths are not like typical towels. They contain rayon, which gives them a unique drapey texture. They do get wrinkly after washing, so ironing is essential. Due to their aesthetic, they can be used not just as kitchen cloths, but also for display purposes. They also have a fun color difference on each side, which adds to their appeal. I tried to buy these blankets on the launch day, but only managed to find them at a different store after the initial ones sold out. The fabric feels wonderful. It's displayed on a sofa in one of the room sets, and I plan to mimic that display by draping it boldly over my own sofa to showcase the pattern. It's a lightweight blanket, so even if folded in half for display, it doesn't look bulky, but rather keeps a neat appearance. The fabric feels smooth, and I think it's suitable for use even in summer. It would look absolutely adorable as a bedspread. The mugs are also very cute, microwave and dishwasher safe. I've even used one as a remote holder. I've paired black and white items and added this side table, the classic GLADOM. Beige is popular, but I opted for white. Its legs are slender and modern, making it look great even though it's very affordable. It's stable and doesn't wobble. The tray has a label on the back, which is important to leave intact if you consider IKEA's buyback program, as it can fetch a good resale price later on. And now for the before and after of the room makeover. This neutral room has transformed dramatically, primarily due to the striking impact of the cushion cover. It has instantly modernized the atmosphere. The blanket has a grayish hue, making it not entirely black, and therefore surprisingly easy to match with other decor. In my case, it also matched well with the wood elements in my room, making me want to get a duvet cover in a similar style. Despite this being such a lavish collaboration, the prices are still incredibly reasonable, which is typical of IKEA. I've slowly shifted back to the store setting to introduce this multicolored duvet and pillowcase set, another new product with a fresh and pretty color scheme. Next up, we have some interesting new products, including a new office furniture series. This series features frames with casters, and you can customize it with shelves, hanger rails, and even add lights on top, making it super stylish. It's also functional enough to be used as a room divider. It's designed as modular furniture, allowing you to combine various parts to suit your needs. Like you see in the video, using it as a sort of shelf seems practical and effective. This round table is also from the same series, designed as a conference table but so chic that it could easily be a bestseller even outside of office settings. It even has a central power outlet. We also have this limited collection poof, featuring a brush-painted random pattern, giving it a unique, artistic flair. It's made of 100% cotton and is washable. There are also matching pillowcases, usually sold together with duvet covers, which I found nice because you can buy them separately. This slightly curved vase is from the same series, super cute. Next to it, I noticed a new color for one of IKEA's popular vases in black. I didn't realize until I saw it in person, but it has a slightly matte finish, which looks really chic. I bought some items at IKEA in Singapore that haven't been released in Japan yet. They're like a souvenir from my trip. It was quite a lot to carry, but I have no regrets. Check this out. This unique turntable has an axis that moves forward as it rotates, making it a space-efficient design. It's really convenient how it swaps the items from the back with those in the front of the refrigerator. The movement was very smooth. I'll be introducing new topics in the next video as well, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end. Hitting the like button really encourages me. Let's meet again soon in the next video.